Here's how you can merge cells in Apple numbers. If you want to combine several cells into one large cell, here's what you do. I'll use the sample numbers spreadsheet as an example. As you can see, I have columns labeled month, revenue, and expense. Now, suppose I want to add a section for notes. If I just click into a single cell and start typing, there's not really enough space. So I want to combine these 8 cells into a single, larger one. The simplest way to do this is to highlight all the cells you want to merge. Once they're selected, right-click, and you'll see an option halfway down the menu that says Merge Cells. Click that. Now I can type something like, "Hi, this is my spreadsheet," or anything else I need to write. Just keep in mind, if you're merging cells that already contain content, like the revenue data here, the content will all be combined into the merged cell as text. Select the cells, right-click, choose Merge Cells, and everything will be brought into one space. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.